Hi, this is Chandrima and welcome to this channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn about parts of speech which plays an important role in English language. At first, we have to know what is a parts of speech. Parts of speech means different parts in a sentence. Actually, different kinds of words are parts of a sentence because we know sentence is a meaningful combination of words. So we can say parts of speech helps us to structure a grammatically correct sentence because it has a different function within a sentence. Parts of speech are 8 in number. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Then come to the point, what is a noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Seema is a good girl. Here in this sentence, Seema is a noun and girl is also a noun. In the next sentence, Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is noun and city is also noun. In the next sentence, beauty is truth. Here, beauty is a noun. Next, pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun and it is used in a sentence to avoid repetition of the letter. For example, I, we, he, she, they, it, mine, ours are examples of pronoun. Adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Or we can say, adjective is used to qualify a noun or pronoun. Here in the sentence, Abir is a brave boy. Here, brave is adjective because it qualifies the noun boy. In the next sentence, this is a long tree. Here, long is an adjective because it qualifies the noun tree. Next, verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word used to express action or state of being. Look into the examples. He wrote a letter to his mother. Here, wrote is verb because it shows an action. In the next sentence, the children are happy. Here, are is verb because it expresses a state of being. Next, adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, she speaks softly. Here in the word, softly is adverb because it qualifies the verb speaks. In the next sentence, the flower is very beautiful. Here in the sentence, very is adverb because it qualifies the adjective beautiful. In the next sentence, he runs very fast. Here, very is an adverb and it also qualifies another adverb fast. Next, preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to any other word in a sentence. For example, the book is on the table. Here, on is preposition. He ran into the room. Here, into is preposition. He came to me. Here, to is preposition. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. For example, Mita and Rita are two sisters. I ran fast but missed the train. Here, Mita and Rita are connected by and. Interjection. What is an interjection? An interjection is a word which expresses some certain feeling. For example, Alice, the man is dead. Hush, she is sleeping. Fie, you are a liar. Here, hush, fie, Alice, these words are used to show some feelings. So, this is all about parts of speech. In our next class, we will discuss all the parts of speech in details. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.